Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily update on Bitcoin. Hope you're all having a great start of the weekend as well. In this video, we'll talk about Bitcoin in general in a weekend. We don't get much movement. I mean, you can very easily see the last weekend, which was right here. Like almost no movement. I mean, we did get some movement this morning, and you can see that we also had that last week. But I don't expect much, all right? It's the summer, a lot of people are gone, a lot of big money is gone as well, so volume will probably, right now is actually still pretty high, because yesterday we had quite a lot of volatility, but I assume the volume is going to drop much lower. It's now 23 billion, it's down 50% tomorrow, and then over the course of Sunday it probably dips down below 10%. Or 10 billion, excuse me. So what that means is that, well, first of all, we will probably not see much movement. It's possible. I've seen Saturdays where we do get some movement, but I don't think it will be. I don't think it will be valid. As in, usually the moves we have over the weekend will be reversed again in the week after, just because weekend moves are usually caused by whales or big parties who just want to kind of manipulate the price one way, and then it's not really the fair price for Bitcoin, so it's automatically reverses back. It's what you usually see, all right? But we have to stay open for a lot of things. Right now, I would say we're relatively strong because we got some nice movements after the sell-off we had yesterday. So in the grand scheme of things, the market structure for Bitcoin is still the same, all right? But be careful, all right? Low liquidity, low volume, we'll have a lot of volatility, and then into Monday, we'll have even more volatility, because I do think quite a lot of money will get back into the markets then. But all right. So what I said, I still think the market structure is still very much the same. So for the last couple of days, for the last 5 days or so, what I've told you is that I think the main structure we have is some sort of a consolidation right here. All right, so between 62,200 and 60,500, even though we have a strong support at 60,000 as well. So that 60,000 is always still a backup. Maybe I should kind of extend this to something like this, and that this is the consolidation. It doesn't matter that much. But we are consolidating, and then if you zoom out, obviously we are in a downtrend. Now, what's true as well, though, is that if you look at, for example, this bottom we made right here, there are some very key bottom signals allowing us to potentially think that this consolidation will turn into an uptrend, or at least some bullish momentum. With the RSI divergence, the RSI itself was at the lowest levels since August last year, which is also pretty significant. And then apart from that, we got some major liquidations, etc., etc. So what that means is that the market structure right now is a consolidation, and although we are trending down, there are enough reasons to talk about a bullish breakout as well, and therefore I'm neutral on Bitcoin. All right, there's just, we have to wait for a real breakout out of this consolidation. Due to the market structure, I would be a little bit more bearish on Bitcoin. All right, so that's what I think is most likely. Also, if you look at this bullish momentum we had over the course of last night, you can also see it's mostly like the biggest green candles we had was actually short positions being closed. Which is not what you want to see, all right? The only way Bitcoin can get a bullish breakout is if we have momentum, all right? So if the open interest starts to rally, and open interest is relatively, like, it's at the same levels as like the 24th, when we had some nice momentum, or at least then, yeah, we had momentum. It was bearish momentum, but we had momentum. So yeah, open interest is increasing, but it's a lot of short orders as well. So that's not the momentum you want. You want long orders being opened. You want people to start buying up Bitcoin. And at this moment, there's no indication of that. So the main idea is still wait for a breakout. And due to the market circumstances, lack of momentum, and the price structure, I would say a bearish breakout is unfortunately still most likely. But that would be a breakout below 60,000, all right? So that's the main level to break down below. And then the main support level is 58 and 57 again. But those are my thoughts. I'll try to keep you updated on that. Tomorrow we'll also talk about the potential of a reversal next month. The start of a new month is always a great time of the calendar year to reverse. But those are my thoughts for now. All right. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.